Welcome to my channel. This is MG with Pat, and I did a little work for you guys. That's the list of all the different movies and movie files and sound files I could find to try on the MGZS. So I tried the 3GP, the AV, M4V, MCOV, MOV, MP4, MPG, mpeg, VOB, WVM, AV, FLV, and on the audio side I tried MP3, OGG, and WAV, and I have to say all of them worked pretty well. I tried to hold all the file in the same size. It's about it's 720 by 480, and I put as well a high resolution AV in the on the USB, which is an 1920 by 1080. So without ado, I will show you the high res, because all the other one worked, and I will post in the comment section. I will post all the different file type I tried. So that was a nice one. So enjoy. Well, here it goes. So I put an USB ready. So let's see what film do we have. I'm just gonna pause it here, go on the list, and you can see that's the high resolution I'm just launching, and that's all the other one I tried, and most of them are working. 3GP, AV, MAV. So actually I don't have to post it. If you just check, you can see if there is one of the different you didn't manage to try. So let's see this one. That's the high resolution. It looks pixelated, but it's not. Oh, it is pixelated. That's the high res. So most of them should work pretty well. Well, and here you have all the three different sound files I tried: MP3, OOG, and WAV, and all of them work. But again, if there is a file that I didn't mention, and you tried and didn't work, you can always convert them to MP3 or VAV. I mean, MP3 has usually the less, it takes less space, so I would recommend to do this. So thanks for watching, and see you on the next video. Bye bye.